Welcome back, and in the next 5 seconds you're going to see why the 2026 Honda TRX250R could be one of the most exciting sport ATVs Honda has ever teased. This is Will Wise Joe, and today we're diving deep into a machine built for riders who crave speed, control, and pure adrenaline. The 2026 Honda TRX250R is all about bringing back the aggressive spirit of classic sport ATVs while blending it with modern engineering. From the very first glance, this ATV looks sharp, low, and purpose-built. Honda has clearly focused on aerodynamics and rider ergonomics, giving the TRX250R a wider stance, a slimmer body profile, and bold graphics that scream performance. This is not an ATV designed just to cruise trails, it's built to attack corners, launch off dunes, and dominate dirt tracks. Under the hood, the TRX250R is expected to feature a high-revving 250 cubic centimeters engine tuned for instant throttle response. Honda's engineering reputation suggests smooth power delivery with enough punch to keep experienced riders satisfied, while still being manageable for intermediate riders stepping into the sport ATV category. The acceleration feels quick and responsive, making it ideal for aggressive riding without feeling unpredictable. Handling is where the 2026 TRX250R really shines. The upgraded suspension system offers longer travel and better damping, allowing riders to absorb rough terrain with confidence. Whether you're carving through sand, flying over jumps, or pushing hard on dirt trails, this ATV stays planted and stable. The lightweight chassis helps improve cornering control, making tight turns feel effortless and controlled. Honda has also paid close attention to rider comfort. The seat design is slimmer and flatter, allowing easy weight shifting during aggressive riding. The handlebars are positioned for maximum leverage, reducing fatigue during longer rides. Combined with responsive braking and improved tire grip, the TRX250R feels balanced and confidence-inspiring at all speeds. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Honda TRX250R is what it represents: a potential revival of Honda's legendary sport ATV legacy. Fans have been waiting years for a modern machine that captures the essence of classic performance quads, and this model feels like a strong step in that direction. If you're someone who loves performance, precision, and that raw connection between rider and machine, the 2026 Honda TRX250R is definitely worth paying attention to. Make sure you stay tuned with Will Wise Joe for more updates, deep dives, and real-world impressions as soon as more details drop. This could be the ATV that reignites the sport quad scene in a big way.